I thought you were tough.
Harder.
Baby, can you put it in? Like
No, just do it. Right, just like that.
What the heck, Thomas?
Go, Thomas. Right there in the middle.
Run!
Go, Thomas. You finished it? Yeah. And he almost fell off the chair. Hit it hard.
It's spiderweb. Hit it.
Hit it hard.
Hit it.
Hit it.
Let me see that. Let me see that. Like this.
Stop!
No, let him do it.
Where's
Dave-
my phone?
All right.